Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to lock apps on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to lock the apps on your iPhone, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just tap and hold on the app which you want to lock. Just like that. Now from here, just select require passcode. Now if you have enabled your Face ID, the Face ID option will appear from here. Now from here, just tap on require passcode. Now from here, tap on require passcode. Now from here, just enter your screen lock. Now from here, if you want to open this app, it will require to enter the screen lock. Just like that. And this is how you can lock apps on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.